Guys, welcome back to my channel, and I'm going to be showing you today how I get this really kind of like beachy wave of a hair vibe. Like, this is very similar to my usual hair, but it's a little bit different. It is actually done with a tighter curl, and it's just a little bit more beachy than my usual glamour waves. I really like this look for summer. I think it's really nice. So yeah, and also I'm going to be taking you through my hair care routine, because I know quite a few of you have asked about it. I mean, oh, your hair looks like healthy, what products do you use and things like that. And actually, so I wanted to show you these ones which I have been testing out by Paul Mitchell from the Neuro Liquid range. Oh my god, they are insane. Like, so basically, obviously, if you've been subscribed to me for a while or followed me on Instagram, you'll know I used to have much darker hair than I do now. So everything has got a lot blonder, and as a result, it's got a lot more damaged, which is annoying. And this is like totally, mostly my own fault. Like, I didn't care for my hair well enough, and I went to go for a colour consultation because I wanted to go a bit darker at the root and a bit blonder around here. And they were like, no, they're like, your hair won't take to the bleach. We don't want to bleach it. Your hair is too weak and damaged. And I was like, you know, when you've got those like friends that tell you the brutal honest truth. It was like that kind of moment, and I was like, cool, okay, so I need to work on my hair. That's fine. So yeah, these products are actually really amazing. So they're really good at repairing and moisturizing and preventing against like heat damage. And I curl my hair if I'm going out or if I'm shooting, I curl my hair every day pretty much. I will always curl the bits around my face, and it's a little bit naughty, I know I really shouldn't, but yeah, so these products are amazing. I will talk you through them as I'm actually doing the whole tutorial, so you know what they are and like what they do. And I've got this amazing heat control technology, which is really good for preventing against heat damage, and I've been using, this is a tool, this is my new favourite one. It's so cool. So yeah, that's also from the Neuro range by Paul Mitchell. And yes, I'll be talking you through my tutorial. Oh, and also the products are vegan friendly. So any of you vegan guys out there, that's a really good thing to know. I know that a lot of people are really opting for a lot more cruelty-free brands and vegan brands. So, and that's something that I really want to start trying to do too. So this is a good place to kind of get in on it. So I've just got out of the shower and I look really sexy right now. And so I've just got my hair like wrapped up in towel, because basically I just wanted to talk to you through really quickly the products that I'm using on my hair when I wash it. So these are absolutely soaked. So the Haircare shampoo and conditioner, or rinse and lather as they call it, I actually really love these. First of all, because they're in pump bottles. I like that. I feel like, you know, I don't know, it's quite handy. If you're a lazy person, it feels quite nice and handy to do that. And so yeah, I really like that. But also, I really love the fact that the shampoo is super foamy. Like, it is so foamy, and like it really feels like it gets in and like really cleanses everything. So that's nice, especially if like me, I wash my hair like every 2 to 3 days, because I don't like it to be too soft and lank, and I use a lot of dry shampoo in between, so it really feels like it gets the hair nice and clean. And then as with the conditioner, it's really soft and like silky, and it feels moisturizing. So basically, because my hair is like super weak and damaged, I've got the repair mask thing. It's like a super intensive treatment. It's not really a mask, it's just like a treatment, and it's just very intensive. So you can leave that on for a couple minutes in the shower while you shave your legs after your conditioner. But I need extra help this week because I'm curling my hair so often. I really need to like add in some moisture and really kind of like help it out. So I kind of tend to do this like once a week, or every third time that I will wash and shampoo my hair. And it's, once again, it's just really like thick and creamy and luxurious, and oh my god, it's really nice. So then I will leave it on for like 15 minutes and sit here with my little head wrap on, or I'll just like leave it kind of like on my shoulders and usually make my dressing gown, which is really dirty, I'm really sorry, actually makes it really wet. But yeah, and I will just go on my phone, do my emails, have a cup of tea, and then get back in the shower. Okay, so guys, I have dried my hair, washed and dried, done my makeup. If you actually want to see this makeup tutorial, then just check that out. I will link you to that as well, because I kind of just do the same makeup pretty much every day, and then different variations of eyeliner. Anyway, back to hair. So this is my hair naturally. I just dried it, centre parted it, and blow dried it, and I use this blowout primer, which is really cool. It's just really like, it's a nice heat protecting kind of serum. You only have to use a little bit, so it just like like I said, like my hair is damaged, so I need to make the most effort I can to make sure it isn't any more damaged, basically. So yeah, anyway, so now I'm gonna curl my hair using the Paul Mitchell tong, which is actually, this one's for beachy waves. So it is the unclipped one, which I quite like. I don't really like hair tongs that have that kind of annoying clip on it because I don't use it. So this doesn't have a clip, and this is for beachy waves. The barrel is 1 inch, so it kind of will get a ever so, not like a really tight curl, but nothing like super loose. So I am gonna curl it. And what's really cool about this is it actually shows you the temperature going up as we go along. So you know how hot it is. So you know, like if you go out to go like, pick it up or something like that, or you know if like you've kind of turned it off. Yeah. So whilst that's heating up, I am going to use the Protect Heat Control Iron Hairspray. Now, what I actually really love about this, you actually spray it on first and then curl your hair, and then you spray it again after. So yeah, it kind of, I always find with products like this, it always holds my curls a lot better. And I know I have got a couple of strips of extensions in, which do kind of tend to hold the curl a little bit better. I do find that products like this, it just like extra secure, like locks it in. And the great thing about it is it also protects your hair as well. So you're protecting it from the curl, and then you're also locking the curl in. And I mean, I curl my hair, admittedly, like most days. So it's like I really need to protect my hair. Well, this is why it's damaged. This is why you can kind of see there's these kind of like bitty layers here where my balayage starts, and then I obviously go to like curl my hair, so it's not good. So this is all heated up, and I'm going to curl my hair. I'm going to do all of my waves going away from my face, as opposed to, I know I usually do them kind of away. I usually get away from the face, and then I curl one inwards, and then I go away, and I alternate them. I've actually been wearing it a little bit different recently, so I am going to be curling them all away from the face. I kind of like to twist the barrel a little bit. I don't know why. I just kind of like to do it to kind of bring it down. I don't know why I do that. I'm not sure if it makes me feel like it's kind of not going to be on it for very long. So the amazing thing about these tools as well, they literally use so many. They've got different shaped ones. They've got like cone ones. They've got one for like more like ringlet styles. So they've got like loads of different ones. And as well as like straighteners, and I think they do blow dryers too. But yeah, they are all kind of made so that they don't make any damage to the hair, and that they kind of try and protect the hair as much as possible. So, and they work really, really well alongside these products. So what I tend to do is actually sort of spray my hair a little bit more as it goes along, so that every few curls I'll give it a good spritz. I really love all of these products because they all work so well together, and I have been so worried about the damage I've been doing to my hair, but at the same time I don't really know what to do about it, so I didn't really want to, like, you know, stop using my hair curlers, because like I said, I really hate my hair when it's straight. I feel like it's really boring, so I don't really want to stop styling my hair how I love it, because it makes me feel great. So it's obviously about like trying to come up with ways that you can kind of like balance everything out a little bit. Okay, these are looking really cute. They're obviously like super ringlets kind of at the moment, so I always brush my curls out, and I think these are going to look really nice and loose and beachy. If your hair is naturally quite curly, there is a really good mousse in this range as well, which is really nice. It adds volume, and it like helps kind of like define curls a little bit. My hair obviously is dead straight, so not really any point in me using it. But so I also don't really worry about like what kind of size pieces of hair I take. I don't really like my hair to be really samey, so I like it to be a little bit kind of like messier and looser. I don't want it to be perfect. So I don't really mind taking, I'll take a couple of like 1-inch bits, and I'll take like a couple of thicker pieces. This tool also comes with a glove, which is ideal if you tend to get a little bit burnt. It is pretty safe. So I don't really ever use it because I'm so used to using these wands. If you're a little bit of a newbie when it comes to things like this, like actually don't worry, like just use it and you won't get your hand burnt. Also, another great thing about this is the fact that it's super long. So if you've got like really long hair, oh my god, it's perfect for you. I remember when I used to have insanely long hair, and I used to, one of the reasons why I cut it was like I could not get all my hair on the curler. So yeah. A little tip as well is if you want it to kind of look extra beachy, leave a little like tiny little bit of hair at the end, just there, because it kind of makes it have that whole sort of like more undone messiness. It's not quite as perfect. I really hate curling these bits around my face because I'm growing my fringe out and they're at this really annoying length. Oh yeah, okay. It's turned out much better than I expected. Yeah, and it's really nice to be able to curl my hair and not feel like super guilty and bad, because I will admit I am quite lazy usually when it comes to heat protection, until they told me that my hair was really weak and damaged, and I was there like, I need to change my ways. Like I desperately need to do something about this. So I feel a lot better about it because these products actually prevent 86% of thermal heat damage, which is so ideal if you're a hair curling addict like myself. Okay, this is a great look, isn't it? I look great right now. I'm gonna turn this off. Okay, I'm gonna just add a bit more hairspray now because I know I got really lazy actually applying this, and I am going to actually just curl this a little bit, tiny little bit more inwards. Oh god, that's gone even more curly. It's fine, that will drop, it's fine. But yeah, so I'm gonna let my curls just cool down a little bit before I fully brush them out. Okay, and now my curls are all cooled down. I've just brushed them out. Kind of give them a little bit more of a looseness to them all. I always put my hair behind this ear, so I'm going to do that. And then I'm going to finish things off with the finish spray. Just to make sure everything's locked in. Oh my god, I literally love the curls that it makes. Like, yeah, this is great. Like, I'm very pleased with myself. And voila, this is the finished product. Now these waves may soften a little bit throughout the day. Actually, you know what? I don't think they will. I don't think they're going to. Like, they feel really, really nice and they're really super bouncy. I love them. So yeah, anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and check out all the products below. I make sure I link them, and also check out their tools. Honestly, I'm literally obsessed with this wand. It is amazing. Like, I feel like it's kind of revolutionized my entire hair care routine as well as the products. If I had to pick one, the mask, the repair treatment, is my favorite. But anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll catch you guys very, very soon.